Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the docking station model and firmware. This avoids compatibility headaches. Plug the supplied power adapter into a grounded outlet, then into the dock. Make sure the LED indicates power, steady green, or a 1/2 blink pattern. Once done, position your Tobenone device onto the docking contacts, aligning the guide rails so connectors mate cleanly. You want firm, even contact. If it feels loose, reseat it. This ensures reliable charging and data connection from the outset. Next, enable the device docking mode. Select USB or wireless tether in settings so the dock can negotiate data. Install the companion app or drivers on your computer. These often auto-run, but manually install when prompted. Once installed, connect the dock to the host via supplied USB or pair over Wi-Fi. Make sure the host lists the dock as storage or a network interface. If the host prompts for permission, grant it. This creates the data path needed for file transfer and firmware updates. To finish, perform a sync or firmware check through the companion app. Wait for the success confirmation before proceeding. When you're done, safe eject the docked device from the host and wait for the LED to indicate it's okay to remove. If something goes wrong, for example, no connection or incomplete firmware, reboot both the dock and device, then repeat the connection and driver steps. One key troubleshooting tip: always check power continuity and cable integrity before deeper diagnostics.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.